Experiencing issues with your AT&T password reset? You're not alone. Common causes include system glitches, incorrect account information, or security protocols triggered by suspicious activity. System glitches can cause password reset failures. Incorrect account information can block resets. Security protocols may trigger if activity seems suspicious. Outages and cyber threats, like DDoS attacks, can also disrupt the reset process. Keep watching to learn how to troubleshoot these issues. Before attempting a password reset, double-check the email and phone number associated with your AT&T account. Outdated or incorrect information is a primary reason for reset failures. Outdated or incorrect information is a primary reason for reset failures. Make sure your recovery email is up to date and accessible. This is crucial for receiving the reset link or code. AT&T recommends using the web portal for password resets because it's generally more reliable than the mobile app, particularly during busy peak hours when app servers may experience higher traffic and potential glitches. If you prefer to use the My AT&T app for password resets, first make sure the app is updated to the latest version, which is 24.3 as of Q1 2026. You can check for updates in your device's app store. If you're experiencing issues with the app, try clearing the cache and app data. Go to your device settings, find the My AT&T app, and select the option to clear cache and data. This often fixes temporary glitches that can interfere with password resets. If clearing the cache and data doesn't resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the My AT&T app. Download the latest version from your app store to ensure you have all the current fixes and updates. If the My AT&T app still fails to reset your password after trying these troubleshooting steps, switch to using the web portal. The web version often bypasses app-specific issues and provides a more stable connection for password resets. AT&T employs multi-factor authentication, or MFA, as a crucial security measure to protect your account. MFA goes beyond just a password by requiring you to verify your identity through multiple methods, making it much harder for unauthorized access. Common MFA methods include SMS codes sent to your phone, verification emails, and codes from authenticator apps. For SMS, you'll receive a temporary code via text message that you enter to verify. Email verification sends a code to your registered email address. And app-based authentication uses apps like Google Authenticator to generate time-sensitive codes directly on your device. It's essential to ensure all your MFA methods are properly set up and that you have access to them. Keep your recovery email and phone number up to date and download Authenticator apps in advance. Without completing MFA successfully, your password reset process will not work. If self-service resets aren't working, contact AT&T support directly. Live chat is often the quickest option with an average wait time of 10 to 15 minutes. Have your account information ready, including your account number, last 4 digits of your SSN, and any security questions. Be patient and persistent. Support agents can manually reset your password after verifying your identity. Avoid using public Wi-Fi when resetting your password, as this increases your risk of phishing attacks. Hackers on public networks can intercept your data, including reset codes and personal information. Be wary of suspicious emails or calls requesting your password reset code. Scammers often pose as AT&T support to steal your information through phishing attempts. Similarly, be cautious of phone calls from supposed AT&T representatives asking for your reset code or account details. Legitimate support will never ask for this information directly. Only initiate password resets through the official AT&T website or app. These platforms have security measures in place to protect your account from unauthorized access. If you've previously set up recovery codes during account setup, these can be a lifesaver for bypassing the standard password reset process. Recovery codes are backup authentication methods that allow you to regain access to your account without needing email or SMS verification. They're typically generated when you enable advanced security features and should be stored securely in a safe place. As a last resort option, some AT&T users have found success using a virtual private network, or VPN, to bypass regional IP blocks that might be causing password reset issues. This technique can work if your local network or ISP is experiencing connectivity problems with AT&T's servers. However, this should only be attempted with a reputable VPN service that you trust, as using untrustworthy VPNs can introduce security risks. Always verify the VPN's legitimacy and ensure it has strong encryption. AT&T is investing heavily in AI-assisted password resets, using machine learning algorithms to detect and resolve common issues like email delivery problems automatically. This technology is already in pilot phases and promises to reduce reset failures significantly. Biometric authentication is another key advancement, with facial recognition and fingerprint verification expected to become standard across AT&T services by 2027. This will make resets faster and more secure by leveraging your unique biological traits. While password resets may continue to be a challenge in the short term due to system updates and high demand, these AI and biometric improvements promise a much more seamless and secure experience moving forward. AT&T aims for 99.9% uptime with their cybersecurity investments. Looking further ahead, emerging technologies like blockchain-based identity systems could eliminate the need for password resets altogether. Decentralized identifiers stored on blockchain networks would provide secure, self-sovereign access to your accounts without traditional authentication methods. These innovations represent a more secure future for account management at AT&T, reducing vulnerabilities and improving user experience through cutting-edge technology.